Okay, is that looking better? No. Oh, she tried at the end.
Yeah, chef. You like my cookies?
No, the lane bonnet. That's the problem. Trying to pull the lane bonnet. There, he's got it figured out.
Wow!
Look. Oh, she added bits in there too. You Well, she did a couple things.
I have one more chance.
Yeah.
Wow!
All right, Jane. Gotta lock it in. Gotta lock it in. Got the cheerleaders back there. They're all cheering her on. And we'll be right back after these messages.
Guys, super icy yung daanan. Nakakatakot. Iting delikado guys kasi ang daming nadudulas sa daanan tsaka yung mga sasakyan na nagka-crush yung nadudulas sila sa kalsada at nababangga or napupunta sa mga ditch. Tapos doon yung mga sana yan? Mga deer. Kumakain kasi binigyan ko doon ng foods. Sabi yung ice guys, sobrang dulas nito kaya delikado. Yan nakakadulas ito. Yan, ni-scrape ko siya kasi madulas. Cookies. The store is now open.
What?
Bowling. My bowl is this. Addie, you're gonna.
So try it. Put your arm straight back and straight forward. See what you did? You went like this. You kind of went up like that. But you're going to go. So you're going to try and just go straight back and straight forward. Everything's broken. There you go. That's better.
A little bit at a time. We'll get there. I gotta get one of those too. I got some. Woo.
Go, Sawa.
For Bang Chan.
For Benchen.
That'll be, see, that'll be. Oh, you gotta show them on your live thing. So they see that you gotta take the Stray Kids now, because then Eddie's gonna get taken to the Stray Kids thing. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was saying. Bang Chan. What do you do? It's
stuck on my belt right now.
It's stuck on her belt. Technical difficulties, folks.
For Benchen.
I'm trying to get all of them, but this is one of them.
Cute.
Bang Chan and which one? Candy. Hyunjin? With an H, yeah, that's fair. See, look, now my head's cut off the screen though. Now I'm just a body. Look, see, like you're perfectly in there and I'm nothing. Alright, she's gonna get it. Oh, it was a couple, not quite there. We're getting closer. Well, she got a spare the other time, so. All right, Jane, you got this. Well, that's not. No, you wanted to go more towards the middle.
You got this.
We're here bowling, having a good time. I mean, we're not all.
It's so good. They're just like so good.
Yeah, the kids are good. There's birthday parties and everything else. We got a kind of tight score going on here. Let's see. Yeah, okay, let's see if you can pick it up. Nope. Kind of went to the left a little bit.
Get one.
42 to 42, we're tied. Let's see what Mom does here.
Yeah, no, you're not 40. You're gonna have more than that, Eric. Oh, you might have.
Right down the middle? Oh, she split her open. That's not good.
Oh, that's a tough one there.
That's a tough one.
That's a tough one there.
Oh yeah, don't you know? That's gonna be real tough to take care of that one there, Ma.
Queen split there. That's a pretty tough one there.
You just gotta hit her just right. You can take her down, don't you know? Sometimes in real life, it doesn't go the way you want it to. So, you know, sometimes it goes in the gutter. Jane, oh, I'm zoomed in. Okay.
4 Stray Kids.
What was that?
I said 4 Stray Kids.
Oh, 4 Stray Kids. All of them, not just Bang Chan
Yes.
or Phoenix.
We love them.
Good form.
Good form. Yeah, I mean, we're almost there. We're all filled up on cheese curds and crosshatch fries. Liquid gold. All right, let's see it. Oh, no, she's gonna reset. For the Stray Kids.
Like a horse.
Almost.
Try.
Oh, she left 2 hanging that time. I tried to film a strike, Ma, but it didn't happen. Oh, only 2 left.
3. There's a hit with one back there.
Oh, was there one more back there?
See it up there?
Oh, okay. Let's zoom in on the playback.
Hit that head pin.
3.
Hit that head pin.
Come on, Eddie, you gotta strike this one for the Stray Kids, huh? Oh, she wants to do it so bad for the Stray Kids. She's gonna do it.
Get over there. Get over there. Get over there. Get over there.
Oh! One left. Who was the one that was left? Was that Bang Chan just standing there all by himself? Look at him. Oh, there he goes.
Do your thing.
4 Stray Kids.
There you go. Now you better bowl a strike. So she's got it. No pressure at all. Yeah, you do, but
I'm not doing so well.
it's okay. But if you're not doing it so well, you're still doing it for the Stray Kids, and I think there's you got a strike in there somewhere.
I'm English? She's I am straight though.
That's what I was saying. She's got one on there. All right, you got this. Clean it up. There it is. Get up. Oh, almost. There's 3 members left that time. Hyunjin and Bang Chan and Felix got left.
There's 10 pins, but there's 8 members.
Well, right, but then you just left 3 of them standing. Why? It's not even playing.
No, it's because I do like that. That's why.
Well, why did you do like this?
Because
Despacito. Come get me, Ricky Martin.